So I'm going to be doing everyday makeup, and it's going to be so exciting doing this. So I'm going to start with some powder. And I'm going to put powder on my face first. Brush, and I'm going to put it in this powder to put it on my cheeks. And I'm going to be shedding it. And the next is going to be first is our eyeshadow. Open it. I'm going to let my mom open this right now. I'm going to be using this one and this one to mix up together. Like I try to get pretty for your makeup videos. It's mascara, and I'm gonna just open it, and my mom's gonna do it. Makeup's not for little girls; it's for big girls, but just for fun.
Let me see. Beautiful.
Now, oh my gosh. We have to forget, we can't forget this lipstick, so I'm just going to put it on. MAC lipstick, and it's just same Germany.
What color is it?
It's pink. That's all for today. I'm going to see you later, and I love you so much.